Oh hey, hi, I'm J.Lynn Johnston. I've had a good week in terms of musical guests in town. I got to see my friend Garrison Starr open for Toad the Wet Sprocket here in San Luis Obispo. And tonight I get to see Jake Newton, Jamie Drake, and Marianne Keith. And they're playing at a little cafe that's actually really close to my house out here in beautiful Atascadero, California. I'm just gonna hop on the motorcycle and head on down. I'm actually gonna try a little thing. See this little pocket right here? See that? I'm gonna try and put this little flip camera right there in the pocket. See if I can get some ride footage on the way over there. Come on, let's go!
Strange somehow, I know everything about you now. Your tangled hair and your soft skin, the heart inside your chest that I've been begging to get in. You call my name into the dark. All I need is kindling, baby, I'll be the spark.
I'm out here at the porch, and the show went great. But I've got to be honest with you guys. The show was 2 days ago now. When I got home and looked at footage, I realized that as soon as I got the camera into my pocket, it bumped itself off, so I got no footage of the ride. But now here it is 2 days later, and I said, you know what? It's the same time of day, still beautiful, Central Coast weather, perfect for a motorcycle ride. Made the ride again because I care about you guys just that much. Right? Now I'm gonna ride back. Hope you enjoyed it all. Check out my friends. Their music's fantastic. Their souls and personalities are fantastic. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it. All right? I'm gonna make the ride now. Okay, bye.